at those. What color? Look at those clouds. The wind blowing the clouds. Look, there go a trash can. Wind blowing a trash can. What's gonna happen to the trash can? Woo! Look, there's another trash can. Trash can blowing. The wind got stronger than the trash can blowing. Yo, go trash can, go trash can, go. Hey, they gotta get that trash can from over there. That's why we doing this Valentines, trash cans. If we didn't have this Valentines, look what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to barbecue, you know?